This is Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at one of my favorite auto stocks, Tesla. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Tesla, your daily chart. Now, if you watched my videos in the past here on the old Tessie, then you'll notice that what I've been pointing out here is your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder, and pow, there she goes. Now, if you flip this upside down, it takes the price of Tesla to about $333, okay? Now, it's not going to go there in a straight line, but that is what this pattern trades out to be, okay? So let's just take a look here on the daily, see what we have. All right, so this is going to be the key right here at 284.25. Now, if you can close over that, okay, close over that, then what we do is we go right back here to the left of the chart here, okay? So what we want to do is you want to look at this candle right here, okay? So we start off at this candle here, and then we go to this candle right here, okay? So this here is going to be 288.67. We have 289. We have 301.29. We have up here, you got 313.80. And then you have your big retest here of 314.67. That is going to be your big first target here if you have to close above, not just intraday pop up and come down, you got to close above that key 284.25. That way we can shoot all the way up to this target right on here. Now, on the downside, you want to watch your key support levels here, which you're sitting at 275.83. That's your 8 SMA here, and then your 21 SMA here at 265.79 here. Okay, so this is actually looking really, really good here. When this sold off here, though, see, this sold all the way down here to 265.10. Okay, on that candle there. Okay, now if you look at the top of this candle here, okay, this is 264.45. Okay, so that still is a gap. You did not fill this gap right here. So any kind of a sell-off, always watch the gaps and the fills. Okay, so that would be the gap, and then this candle right here would be the fill. So it did not fill that. However, if you can close above here, then she's going to go much higher. And then watch the candles on the left. Always look to the left of the chart where it's been. Usually that's where she's going, and then there's your big target. So let's take a look here on your weekly and on a monthly chart. Okay, here we have the old weekly chart. Now you can see where this basically double top, and then you kept on putting in lower highs, okay? And then she came right on down. Well, there's your left shoulder, there's your head, and then there's your right shoulder, and then pow, up she goes. So now what you want to do is just keep watching now. All those levels that sold down that couldn't make new highs, those are your targets now on the upside, okay? So you got 313. 80 right there. Then we come to this target, this one right here, which would be this candle right here. Okay, so then you're looking at 364.07. You have 384.29, and then your big retest there is 414.50. Now this is the big picture. Okay, so you want to focus on a daily first with that 314 level there. That's what you want to focus on first. But again, if it gets up there, then you remember that inverse head and shoulders pattern should measure out to about $333. And then your big target here over time is going to be the retest of 14.50 here. Okay, so when you look on your monthly chart, see, you can see where all your targets here. You just want to basically just follow your candles all the way on up here. And those will be your resistance levels. So you have your big target. Okay, so on the downside here, always watch your SMAs. Those are be your key support levels. So you want to watch the 251.33 here. Then we have an 8-day, which is rolling up really nicely at 248.56 here. So, you have this gap right here. See, that's at 265.10. And then we looked over here, okay, 264.45. So that gap it has not been filled here yet. If it comes down, always watch that. Now, here on the RSI, well, you're getting up here towards the 70 range here. Your MACD is getting a little bit higher there. But if you look on your monthly chart here, see, this is just starting to curl up here. This has room to run. So don't expect it to go like a straight line. just, trade it. They say if you want to take a long position and then keep adding it to. But this is the ultimate goal here of 414.50. All right. Thanks for watching.